is what does the future hold for Vivino? Are you working on some secret new projects,
I mean, if it was
some
really
new
secret, I
features?
probably wouldn't tell you about it, but at least not while we're still on the podcast. No, but we keep working on all kinds of stuff. I think some of the interesting things are more personalization. We do quite a lot of that these days,
Mm,
and another thing that we're really focusing on is more value for money. So
okay.
if you look at the app now, you can see a rating, you can see a price. We really want to see if we can help make it more clear if this is a good buy or not. That's
Mm.
something I'm excited about. That's coming within too long. So yes, always working on some exciting stuff.
That's interesting. And what do you mean about more personalization, like wine recommendations based on your?
Yes, but also whatever you scan will tell you right away is it going to be for you or not. And so
Okay.
we do that right now. But we're making those algorithms better and better all the time.
Okay, that's very interesting. One thing that I wanted to mention, which is for me sometimes a little bit confusing, that all the scans go to the mine wines list.
Yes.
So it sometimes it's a little bit confusing because people, you just go and when you see a wine list or go to the wine shop, you scan a lot of bottles that you just want to
Yeah.
see and read about, but sometimes it confuses me when I go to the mine wines section.
Yeah. It is something we debate a lot, and I totally get it. We're a little bit worried what happens if it's not the case. That, oh, the one I scanned there, where did it go? So I think we need to
Okay.
find a way that's somewhere in between. So
Hmm.
so you have a list of all your wines, but maybe your default list is the ones you've rated or somehow engaged with.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. That would help. And what do you have you ever think about a feature of maybe managing wine collections, because that is also very popular and there are quite a few
Yeah.
softwares for
So
that. But
yes, yeah. So we've had that feature for some time actually, and
oh,
we've
really?
now, yeah, we've expanded it quite a bit lately. I think I'm telling the truth. It is outside premium, so anyone can use it. I think right now, but yeah, it's become pretty decent, I will say. So I've put all my wines in the app and so on, and it works pretty well.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, yeah.
Some
Try that. It's
for some
simple,
reason.
but it's simple, but it works.
Okay, so what does it do? You scan the wines that you have in your collection,
Yeah, and then
and
you
then you
say how
have
many
the
bottles.
database.
Yeah, say how many bottles, and when you drink, you can check in and out.
Okay, I see. And does it show maybe the drinking window or some data on
Yes,
the
yeah,
wine?
totally, totally. And that's another thing we added recently, by the way. That's only in the premium. It's the new drinking window that we added, and
Mm,
it's the only drinking window in the world that's 100% based on data, because we have so much data about when people drink and when
yeah.
people stop drinking, and you should check it out. Is really try and see some older wines and so on.
Wow.
It's really quite good.
Yeah, that makes sense completely. That's the best way to have this drinking window data, because a lot of info out there is based on just one wine critic's
Yeah,
opinion.
100%. Ours is just 100% based on data. And if you have enough people drinking different vintages and so on, the data really doesn't lie.
Yeah, exactly. This is the perfect way. Wow, I'm very excited to check that out. I don't know how I missed this feature. I didn't know about it.
It's in the wine insights. It's only part of premium, but it should be there. And we're going to expand it.
Yeah.
I've been pushing the team to build something a little bit more it's visual. It's quite simple now, but the data is good. I'd love to see something more visual, but I think they might be working on something there. Who knows?
That sounds good. Yeah, here the data is the most important. I do agree.
Totally,
But
totally.
but yeah, that is going to be exciting. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section and see you in the next one.